Cancelling ChatGPT sounds simple, but when done wrong, it can cause many complications. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription the right way. Before you cancel, take a few minutes to save your data. To do this, log in to your ChatGPT account. Click your profile icon at the bottom left. Next, select Settings. Once the Settings window is open, click Data Controls. At the bottom, click Export Request. Export prompt will appear and select Confirm Export to continue. OpenAI will prepare a file containing your entire conversation history. You'll receive an email with a download link. Once the export's ready, click the link, download the file, and save it to your computer directory. This method exports all your chat messages into a single file. Now that your data is backed up, let's cancel your account. Click your profile icon again. Select Settings, click Account, and then select Manage. Click Cancel Subscription and confirm to complete the cancellation. Your access continues until the end of your current billing period. Cancelling ChatGPT doesn't mean stopping your productivity. You still need a way to capture your meetings, and that's where Tactiq comes in. Tactiq works across all major AI models. It opens a live transcript so you can stay focused without taking notes. It also highlights key points and generates AI summaries. Unlike ChatGPT, Tactiq allows you to use in-meeting AI. In-meeting AI allows you to summarize while the call is happening or helps you ask follow-up questions. This works to whichever platform you prefer. It's free to get started. Install the Chrome extension and your next meeting is covered. Subscribe for more ChatGPT tips.